His bike is loud. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, man. I'm back with another video, guys. So I'm about to get ready to take off right now. I'm going to a Black Lives Matter cruise, man. So y'all know with everything going on, it's kind of crazy out here. And I usually don't put too much about what's going on in the world on my YouTube page. I try to keep it positive, and you know, you can go on Instagram or anything and find out what's going on and see all the, I guess you want to call it negativity, but you know, just to see everything, because yes, I try to avoid putting that stuff on my channel, because I want people to come to my channel for like escape, you know. But with this one, it did hit me a little different, to be honest with you. You know, being a black man myself, yeah, it was a little different. But with everything going on, man, I mean, I do think we have some systematic issues as far as racism. I don't think that's ever been a secret, and I think people are tired, to be honest with you. And that's what we're seeing. The looting and protesting, the protesting of Mile 4, the looting, I can't condone it. Like, I cannot condone it, but I understand when people get tired. And if you ever been tired or fed up with something, man, you go to extreme measures to make a change. And so, like I said, I can't condone it, but I definitely understand. I get it. People are tired. So yeah, I think we definitely have a lot of work to do as a country and society. But you know, me being a follower of Christ, you know, we have to show the world different. We have to show the world love. We got to represent the image of Christ. So we can't fight hate with hate, man. It has to be all love. So that's my thoughts. You know, rest in peace to George Floyd, man. Definitely, you know, man, that was tough to watch, man. But yeah, because I always think that easily could have been me and my friends and my family, my brothers, or anybody, you know. But yeah, man, so we got to make a change, guys. And I mean, I definitely experienced racism in my time. Shoot, just go back and watch some of my videos. Look at the comments. You know what I mean? You'll see it. So, but you got to choose to ignore that stuff, and you know, just basically keep putting out love, man. That's go be the cure for all. Just love thy neighbor as ourselves. If we did that, we would have no issue, because we all love ourselves. We love what's best for us. So just imagine if you kept that same energy and loved your neighbor with that, man. So anyway, man, yeah, so we about to go ride. I've been on a group ride before. You got to be careful with group rides. They can be pretty big depending on how many people, and it's dangerous because you don't know everybody riding skill level. You just got to pay attention. They're fun, but they can be very dangerous. So I'll probably record when I meet up with Trey, and yeah, man, we'll go from there.
You got the whole setup on your
Oh, this for my YouTube channel. Yeah.
I be watching that shit, bro.
Oh, do you? I appreciate it.
I'm just saying, you know, trying to get views, I'm trying to get my homeboy paid.
I appreciate it, bro. Hell yeah. But yes.
That Patrick shit on my helmet?
Yeah, bro, I need it, dog. Alright, guys, so I just met up with Trey. That's here right here on this Hayabusa. I'm not sure what year it is, but he was talking about me. He was like, bro, you got the gloves and the jeans. He like, it's too hot for that shit. I'm with him, it is hot. Yeah, I always ride with gloves. That's even back when I played football, guys. I had to have gloves when I practiced or played. I could not play in the game without gloves. I could not practice without gloves. Like, it just wasn't happening. So it's really, for me, a mental thing, bro, to be honest with you. I can't do it. So, but I do ride. I have rolling t-shirts, sometimes shorts. I'm going short distance, because it does really just get hot as hell. So if you're not moving on this bike, bro, you will be cooking. No lie, straight cooking, bro. So anyway, man, so we're on our way right now to Fuel City, is where the beginning of the meet is gonna be at, or the ride. So we're on our way now. I should be there right around 2 o'clock, actually, around the time they're supposed to meet up. So as y'all can see, they're already riding. Got a nice group. I kind of missed it coming in. I think Trey said we go chill at the back, kind of let everybody roll out. But you can see we're going way up here. Shit, we already got split up. We got some nice bikes out here, man. Got the Cotton 911, got ZX14, got another lady on her ZX6, ZX10 probably. Got another Hayabusa over here, man. You want to go? You good? You ready? So we rolling out. We go come up the back end. Ain't really worried about being up front. Hey, let's make this light, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. Man, I missed the group ride. What train at? Oh, okay, there you go. I thought I lost him. So we about to head up. I think the route said 35 north is where we're going. Go 35 north. And yeah, see what happened, bro. You got two up right here. I'm telling y'all, bro. Ain't nothing like ride with the bike scene with a whole group of people, bro. Ain't nothing like it, man. It's a different feel, I promise you. Ooh, that bitch sound clean. What is this? I think that's a CBR. And that bitch sound clean. Yeah, buddy. We got DPPD. Yes, sir, baby. Woo-hoo-hoo. This shit is dope. Yeah, man. Wait for my boy Trey.
Shout out on the YouTube.
Hey, go. Hey, you want to be on there? No. Go ahead. You say what's up. It's rolling.
Hey, man. Out here kicking it. Having fun.
Yeah. So this is my boy Trey. This is our first time riding together. So this is Boosa. What year is your Boosa? I ain't actually. 03 Boosa. He just got it painted with the blue on it. I like that blue. I love these levers though. Them bitches nasty.
Appreciate that.
Yeah. Another Boosa. Got me the BMW Boosa. You got another Boosa. Then you got a Yamaha R1 over here, and then you got a Kawasaki a ZX. I think that's a 14. I know that's a 14. It's a 10. And then you got another Hayabusa, and then you got what's this? I think it's a Hayabusa too. That's the ZX10. I'm not sure what that one is. I think it's ZX10. Then come over here, you got a Honda. No, it's a Yamaha R1. You got the red and black, red and white. Love that color scheme. BMW. You got this tricked out ass Boosa right here. What's going on, fellas? This bitch is nasty. Oh, excuse me. Then you got a CBR 600 with the whole undertail. Love that. Then you got another. It's an R6. Yeah. My bad. I'm vlogging, man. You good? Yeah, I'm vlogging for the camera. I love that color. R1 Cruiser. And then you got, what's up, fella? You got a ZX6 Gixxer. You got another Gixxer Ducati 911. This bitch is 1199. This bitch is clean. And you got a CBR and another Yamaha R1 and a Boosa. Huh? Oh, y'all heading out? Oh, no, I'm vlogging. My bad. I was just, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I do. It's Kicking It With Q. Kicking It With Q? Like Kicking It With Q? Without the G on kicking though.
That's 7 or 8?
That's a 7.
See how it has set up like that? Kind of like that. Cause
oh yeah, it got the mic. Yeah, it ain't gonna never be pretty, man, because it's so bulky. You know what I'm saying? But you know, I missed the whole ride over here. Shit froze on me. It got too hot. So Yeah, that's why I keep looking, trying to see if it's recording. So y'all heading back? Okay.
Y'all going after this?
I don't know. I'm not. I just showed up. You know. On the S1K, it was like when I bought it, it had like 7,100, and now I'm at like 82, almost 8,000, I think, somewhere in there.
It's like
a 16. Yeah, 2016. Oh, do you? Yeah. Okay.
I don't have it right now.
Oh, this yours right here?
I got it.
Oh, you looped it? Yeah.
No, this is my buddy's bike.
Okay, I got you.
Mine's just in the shop right now.
Got you.
From behind.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, I got 17 with the select package.
Yeah, okay.
Is there some select package with the HP wheels?
Yeah, it got HP wheels, got slick mode, all that, the full cruise control, heated grips, yeah, all that stuff. Yeah, it's nice, man. It's
I miss mine.
Yeah. So a car hit you? Somebody ran behind you on the car?
No, my friend on the bike.
Ah, got too close to you? Got you. Yeah, this R1 is clean though, man. I like this.
It's a R6.
Oh shit, it's an R6. Fuck, it look just like the new R1, to be honest with you.
It's a 19.
Ah, okay, that's what then. I thought it was R1. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Still clean, man. Nice, all right. I love the CBR though. That's probably one of my if I could fit a CBR, I would get on it. I'm just too big for him, bro. Like, but I'm like 290 pounds. He might keep up, man. Shit. Yeah, I'm a big dude, so I'm not doing the bike any favors, shit. Well, this is nice though, man. Hey, where'd you get this? Is your bike? This is yours? Where'd you get these from?
Shit, I think homeboy. Like mine came with the bike.
Oh, did it?
He got on Amazon.
Man, I like what you got. I like the red access in here, bro. This is nice, man. He said, nah. You got the whole LCD. I ain't got the LCD screen though, man. Yeah, that shit is nice, bro. That's nice. That's the only thing I wish I had the LCD screen, but it's all good.
I'm surprised they don't come with that shit.
Well, honestly, yeah, they just put them on the new 2020s with the for the BMWs.
2020, man. We saw that shit yesterday.
Oh, y'all did?
Yeah.
Them they clean, man. But they like 22 grand, bro. It's kind of crazy. Fellas, I'm about to head back over, make sure. So y'all dipping out, huh?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, y'all too, man. Oh, he went on the gravel. He tripping. Oh, what is he doing? Oh, I ain't gonna get over. Dude, just get out the way, bro. I hate when people do that. Just move over and let us come by. Thank you. That's all you gotta do, bro. Trey said he gonna be in the back chilling. He already told me, like, man, I ain't about to be trying to go all that fast. He ain't got no gear on. He said he chilling today. And one of these dudes, Boosa, is loud as hell. Is loud as shit. I don't know what happened to Trey. We got split up somehow. I don't even see Trey. Dude bike right there is loud as heck too. Riding two up with his woman. Oh, 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. 1 that red and white blue is nasty. I love the way that thing looks. And she is riding the hell out of it too. About group ride, guys, sometimes you might get split up. There's so many people, and if there's traffic, you get caught in the traffic trying to keep up, and people miss the exit or whatever the case may be. Loud, loud. Woo, 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 woo. Dang, that thing screaming. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, sir. Ooh, yeah. God, R3 getting down, baby. I see you. There y'all go. I think that's a 500, whatever. It's getting down. We going about 92. He moving. Keeping up with the pack. Oh, we got about 6 flags. This looks like over Texas? Oh, okay, yeah, it is. I know where I'm at now. We're on the Heap Bridge, so if y'all watch the news in Dallas, this is where those protesters got held at. Right here on this bridge, man. Downtown Dallas, beautiful view. I hate that we got separated from the pack though. It was way, right now it's about 12 of us, maybe 10. When we left, it was about at least 60, 70 of us. So we got split up for sure. I think we're going back to Fuel City. Yeah. Yeah, they took off.
I don't know which way they went, but they left.
Yeah, they.
Take off. I'm like, what the fuck? That's why I threw my finger up. I was like, fuck it. I don't care. I'm coming back here.
Huh?
They went, no, they left us way back there.
Fort Worth, this before we got on 30.
Way, they left us way.
Yeah, we're talking like 10 minutes after we left.
Yeah, as soon as we left the gas station.
Get everybody on the medium to go to the side.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why we lost a lot of people. Yeah. Way home, man. So like I said, everybody got split up after the ride. So yeah, this thing about group rides, you gotta make sure everybody kind of know the directions, what's the plan. You know, just in case you get split up, they know the exits, things like that. It got a little unorganized. It was organized until we got to Buc-ee's. So once we got to Buc-ee's, it kind of fell apart a little bit. I think you had a lot of people parking in different spots, for one. And then for two, another group pulled up. And I think everybody kind of got mixed in the middle of it, man. Kind of threw everything out. But anyway, so I'm headed back home right now. I'm probably about to do the dash all the way home. I ain't gonna record that. But anyway, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Not even sure this is gonna make a video, but we'll see. But I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.